Welcome to Wandering Channel. Today, we will explore Playa del Carmen Beach in Mexico. With fine white sand and clear blue water, this is an ideal destination for tourists to relax. Let's enjoy the beauty and fresh air of Playa del Carmen. The people here are very friendly and hospitable, creating a warm feeling for tourists. The diverse community with a combination of indigenous Mexican culture and international influences from tourists and residents from all over the world. This blend not only creates a rich living environment but also makes Playa del Carmen a colorful and attractive destination. Under the bright sunlight, the sea space becomes more lively when girls in bikinis relax on the beach, creating a scene that is both charming and energetic. The gentle waves lapping the sandy shore, combined with umbrellas and sun loungers, create an ideal resort space, making people feel like they are lost in a tropical paradise. The marine vegetation in Playa del Carmen is rich and diverse. Under the clear blue water, you will see colorful coral reefs, home to many species of fish and marine life, creating important ecosystems for underwater life. Coral reefs and seagrass not only contribute to coastal protection but also attract many tourists to visit. Tourism at Playa del Carmen Beach has brought significant impacts to the economy of Mexico. The increase in the number of tourists not only generates millions of dollars in revenue from accommodation services, restaurants, and entertainment activities, but also promotes employment for many local people. Thank you for exploring Playa del Carmen with us. To not miss other great trips, please subscribe and follow the Wandering channel. Like and share the video to support us to continue bringing interesting journeys. See you in the next videos.